Okay, we are going to estimate top dressing a lawn. Top dressing a lawn is when we come in and we just add a thin layer of soil, usually anywhere from a ½ inch to an inch of soil over the lawn. If the lawn is really healthy and nice and thick, you can add up to an inch over the area. So essentially, we have a fairly uneven shaped lawn. So this is a good one for you to see to pace out a fairly difficult area. Why don't you come out and kind of stand in front of the neighbor's property here and just kind of shine on the hole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I've got my piece of paper and pencil right next to me. I'm going to make sure that I'm writing down these different dimensions so that basically I'm going to break the yard up into sections. And don't worry about all the little ins and outs. Just make sure that you're covering more than enough, but don't go too crazy because then we don't want the price skyrocketed for the homeowner. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 steps this way. I'm going to break this off into a grid. So then I start again here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps will cover this area. So 7 by 10. And I want to write that down, 7 paces by 10 paces. That's for this area. Now I'm going to start here in this next section. I'm going to break out this next big section, and again I'm going to kind of pretend it's a rough rectangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 steps. Then I'm going to go back this way. But what you won't see is that from that angle there, you won't see that I'm probably going to keep it just a little short of the final thing. So 9 steps. I'm going to pace this way now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I stopped about a foot short of the final thing just because we have all this curves in. But for the most part, I want to make sure that I cover this. So again, I've got this section measured and that section measured. I've got a little section right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this section here. Now I need to measure this entire thing down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 29. 29 steps. And then what I want to do is kind of average it out. So in the extreme areas here, I'm a little over 6, almost 7 feet. On this area here, I can start by pacing it 1, 2, 3 steps here. But in the most narrow areas, I'm probably right about 3 feet from here to the edge. So I don't have to do quite full 3 paces all the way down to get my thing. I might cut it off like a foot. Not much, just a little bit. Cut it off like a foot and then get this whole area. So you want to take those 3 areas. Don't forget about the area on the other side of the sidewalk as well too, if we have to do that. Add all of those up together and then multiply that up times your 1 inch of soils and you should be good.